Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a popular option for anyone starting out in home recording or needing a simple setup on the go, the Alesis IO2 Express. This is a 2-channel USB recording interface designed to connect your microphones, instruments, and other audio gear directly to your computer. It's capable of capturing audio at resolutions up to 24-bit and sample rates of 48 kHz, which is a solid standard for clear recordings. One of its strengths is its versatility. It offers inputs that can handle microphones, line-level sources like keyboards, and even instruments like guitars directly, thanks to its dedicated instrument input. For those using condenser microphones, it provides 48V phantom power right on the unit. A major plus is that it's USB bus powered. This means you just plug it into your computer's USB port, and it gets all the power it needs. No external power supply required. This makes it incredibly portable and easy to set up anywhere. Inside, it features high-quality AD and DA converters and discrete design preamps, aiming to ensure that the audio signal remains clean and accurate from input to output. To get you started right away, the Alesis IO2 Express comes bundled with a copy of Steinberg Cubase LE. This is a capable digital audio workstation, or DAW, that provides the tools you need to record, edit, and mix your audio projects. Overall, the Alesis IO2 Express positions itself as an accessible and functional interface. Its combination of essential features like phantom power, versatile inputs, USB power, and included software makes it a compelling choice for beginners, students, or anyone needing a reliable, straightforward way to record 2 channels of audio into virtually any recording software on their PC.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.